This is LENOVO Tab M9, and today I will quickly show how you can create the calendar event on this device. So first you will need to launch the calendar app, then promptly select the date of your event, hit the plus icon, tap at the event, and then all that you gotta do is to fill out all the event details: title, time frames, time zone, reoccurrence, participants, video conference, location, reminders, color, description or attachments. Then once everything is set, hit the save button, and here's your event. So that'll be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.